Hi, today we're going to be showing this Hello Kitty airplane. First up we have the pilot, which is Hello Kitty. We'll put her in the front here in the airplane. And second we have her best friend. She could be in the back there. Oh, and on the side of the plane, there's a little DVD holder. It comes down for your snacks. Every single one does. And this is one of her other friends. Her next, that girl. And then we have her little brother. He will sit right there. And we have Mimi, which is her sister. I'll put her in there. Now they're all in. And right here we have some little trays for food. And we have milk and a pie. And then we have two suitcases. We have this one with the handle and the cute bow. We'll have to put that in the back. And then we have this one that has a bow on the front. These are little things to carry it with. And I think, okay, so let's make sure everybody's seat is closed. And I think Hello Kitty's ready to go. Go. Thank you. Bye.